Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and daily because today the weekly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals there. Also, we're killing it. Before I came to register that video, I just gave there a signal. You can even you benefiting from that. Today we enter 2 signals. The first one we make profit from it. Now we enter the second one. It's near to hit some profit. So make sure to join us. The link of it is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it's finished, which is that one here. The weekly candle here, it's telling us it's a very bearish signal here. And me, I tell it to you when we are here at that level here. If you remember, I told you we're breaking that channel here. Now for us to know it is a real breakout, it needs the market to fall down here, then after that to go back up. And that's what it's showing here. Should we be worried? Not yet, because for us to be worried, it needs the market to fall down till down here and to break here. Like that is going to give us a very clear double bottom like that, or double top. Till now there is nothing, so everything's still very early for us to start getting started. And here, even in the daily I show it to you, but here in the weekly it's going to look more clear here. If you remember, people, they've been with us we used to have here that uptrend here like that, as you see it. Now you are very close. I think that week where we are going now, that week is going to touch that trend line here. Maybe from here we are going to go up, so maybe there is no correction. We're just going to stay sideways here where we are, and after that we're going to see a big jump in the market. So guys, be ready. Everything till now it's based on that last high. It needs to be broken here like that for the market to take off. So everything's still looking healthy. There is nothing yet. Market here, if you see even the volume here, you're going to find it very dry. People, they still scared. No one want to buy, but the market is going to check off anytime soon. Also now we're waiting here, the trend line here. Smaller time frames, when it's getting broke, we will enter long again. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for all the week, guys, as you see it, that Monday we're going to have here the CPI data of the Eurozone or inflation data of the Eurozone, as you see it. And the forecast here, it's showing is going to fall down a little bit from 5.5% to 5.3%. That's very good news. Then here in Tuesday, what we got, as you see it, we got that one here of the Aussie that it doesn't mean nothing to us as Bitcoin investors or traders. Even that one of Germany, UK, that one here. Then we got that one of USA. You need to focus about it. That ISM manufacturing PMI. That one is going to tell you where is the US dollar is going to go, and Bitcoin is very correlated to US dollar. Not correlated, it's going against it. So you need to be focused about that one, what the market is going to tell you guys. Plus we got here the jolt, that one about unemployment rate of USA. So I think picture is too clear here. Then in Wednesday, what we got here, as you see it, that Wednesday. And Wednesday we got EDP non-farm employment change. Then we got crude oil inventory. So those ones you need to be focused about them. Then in Thursday, as every week, we got Bank of England interest rate. Then it's going to come that person to start the up at us. Then we got initial jobless claim. Then that one of USA. Then ISM non-manufacturing. So you need to be focused about them. Then in Friday, that's when we got some big move is going to happen. When we going to come the data of USA, average hourly earning and non-farm payroll plus unemployment rate. Those ones they are going to tell you what the Fed is going to do in the future. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And here is is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day here. As you see it, all US stocks, they started the week green. Let's wait until today when the daily candle finishes, then also we're going to make a decision based on that. Till now, everything's still looking great. The SP 500 still giving us higher high. It's very close to 2021 last high. Also, we are very close to it now. Let's see if we are going to make a correction from that level or no. Till now, everything's still looking great. And down here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, it's still very low, 13. That means currency is still very low. So there is nothing new here. So everything's still looking healthy, guys. Another thing, US dollar here, still going up, 101 now. So there is nothing new here. Now let's go into the daily to see what Bitcoin doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily today, the Bitcoin gives us a very clear pin bar here, as you see it in that level here. Let's zoom it a little bit to see it together. As you see here, that pin bar here, that is indicating that there is a pushing from down that level here. There is no one want the Bitcoin to break that level here. That way came that pin bar here. Maybe it's going to drive the Bitcoin again to that level here or something. So till now, as we still waiting what's going to happen. If the Bitcoin is going to come to that level here to touch it again, and after that it's going to fall down. And another thing, very important, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? Look with me here, that candle, what it done here. It closed below the 50 moving average, as you see it. Look at it, by IU. We close in below in the 50 moving average here. So now either is going to come another candle to close above here, or we're going to see Bitcoin is falling down to touch here, to 100 moving average. So here in the daily, everything is still showing to us the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. And also we're going to wait it. That is going to break for us up here, for us to enter long. People, they being with me here. I told you to buy 25% from your capital here at 50 moving average, 25% what it left from your capital here at 100 moving average, and 25% from what it left if we fall down here to the 200 moving average. The simple one. Me, I don't think so. It's going to fall down only here to the 100 moving average. Then from there, we're going to see a major move. And also we analyze for you every day. So there is nothing new here. Now let's go into the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, guys, I want to show you why me I left those moving averages here. I want to show you that 50 moving average, how it react to it here, the market. It's been reacting here like a very stronger resistance here. Look at it. Every time when we touch it here, the Bitcoin it fall down. Every time when we touch it here, the Bitcoin it fall down. That's why also we enter along in our Telegram and in our Discord. We're aiming just to hit here the 50 moving average. Then from there we're going to take some profit. But here in the 4 hours also we are in a very down trend. Look at it here. Look at the 50, how far away, the 100 and the 200 here. It's telling us also we are in a down trend. Plus me, I tell you something here in the 4 hours. What me I told you? I came in the top, I do it like that, and down here like that. I told you if we break it above here, we will enter long. If we break it down here, we will enter short. That's what me I told you. Yeah, now also we haven't broken above here, so everything's still looking the same. And down here, Bitcoin now, he tried to give us here like a small flag here, as you see it here in the 4 hours. That one is a very bearish signal. If it's breaking down here, you need to go with it more down. If it's breaking above here, we will enter long. So everything's still looking the same. And me, I still thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. That's why me, I told you, just wait till down more. So everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's staying here. There is no power to break that level here, as you see it. And also we're staying in a very clear bear market. There is no balls yet in that market. That's why also we're still going with it down. That for swing trading or long term, but for short term also we going up and we're going down. Because for short term there is Bitcoin, it doesn't fall down in one way. It's always falling down by waves. That way also we try to catch it every time. So here everything's still looking the same. Also we are in a very down trend. Yes, the Bitcoin he tried to give us now here another another trend line like that. As you see it, every time we touch it we go up, but if it's break it's going to fall down till it would touch in here the oversold area. Then from there also we will buy. So here there is nothing new. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. Here we are, guys. As you see that our indicator here, that one here, me I told you also we are here at the oversold area, so technically also we need to looking for buy. But what me have been teaching you, that one is just an oscillator. We don't need to base everything on it. For us to enter long, we need the price action to tell us that. The only price action we got now here is that wage here. If it's getting broke above here, we will enter long. If it's getting broke down here, we will enter short. That one here, yes, filter for us, but also we don't need to follow it. And me have been teaching you that thousands of times. Anyone he analyze for you using technical indicators, don't follow him. Those ones, they are just oscillators and they repeat themselves thousands of times. You want me to show you, I will show you thousands of examples. So everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Also, we just enter here along because we used to have here a double bottom here. It's breaking the neckline. The first take profit of us is it here. Second one is it up here. Bitcoin is still showing to us it's still going up, and now I think it's going to hit the first take profit. Another price action we got here, which is that one, guys. Look at it like that, and down here you can come and do it like that. You see it or no? You got a very clear triangle here, very clear here. If that one getting broke above here, you can enter long. If it getting broke down here, you can enter short. So everything still looking the same, guys. Bitcoin, it's showing is going to go up more higher. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the oversold area. So technically also we need to enter long. Give us here the double bottom. Also we enter long. All the people in my Telegram and my Discord now, they are very happy because they're making very nice profit. Me personally now I'm looking at my broker in my other screen. It's hitting the first take profit. So guys, enjoy your profit. And you, if you are in our Telegram and in our Discord, don't forget to smash that like button. So guys, that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.